We understand that a good window can last for a decade or more, or at least we hope them to be, right? But still, the guardians of our house could use some help from us. Basic maintenance doesn't take much time, but it makes a real difference. By cleaning, sealing, and checking your windows regularly, we can keep them working well and avoid costly repairs later. Most small tasks like DIY window repair or lubricating checks are easy to do and help extend the life of your windows, so they can reach a longevity. But still, some issues go beyond what the cloth and screwdriver can fix. If you are dealing with serious damage or want expert support for aluminum window care or UPVC window maintenance, it is best to bring in professionals who do it right. Hope the information in this video can inspire you and help you in some emergency. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We will present you with more interesting content. Thanks for watching.